All right. So in my last video, I showed us how to manage our company's page admin on LinkedIn. So today we'll be looking at how to do the same on Facebook. So if you open your company's page on Facebook, so here this company's name is UC Kingsoft. As an existing admin or an owner of the page. So what you need to do is just go to your settings from here, click on your right hand side, top right, and go to settings and privacy. Either you go through this place or you can go, there's a setting at the left hand. So both place will lead you to both link will lead you to the same place for you to get your settings. So click on your settings. On the left hand navigation bar, go to page setup. Now you have your page information, your page, your name, company's name is UC Kingsoft. So if you want to add an admin, you want to manage admin, you need to go to this part. They have page access. So click on it. You take it to this place. So this is where you can add your page admin. So click on add new. This particular admin means that they have access to do more stuff. So it means that they can switch into page and manage it directly on Facebook or by using any other tools like Meta Business Suite or Creator Studio. So you click on next. Now you can search on the person you want to make an admin. So for instance, I will say Cynthia. Or okay. Now just read out the basic right this admin has is to create, manage, delete posts, stories, and more as the page. Then they can take messages and calls, community activities. But if you want this person to have full control on the company's page, then you can go ahead to turn on this place. But if you just want them to create content for you, manage, delete posts or stories or more as the page, that is fine. This is enough. You just give them access and then you're done. So put the password, confirm, you are done. I hope this helps. If you have any question, just drop a comment. Please like, share this video and subscribe. Bye for now.